It's completely normal for ice to melt, and we expect it to happen. But as the climate is changing and the average global temperature is increasing, there is an imbalance with the water cycle. During normal years, the winters have lots of snowfall, the spring starts later, and runoff and evaporation are balanced during the summer. But since we are having more summer melting, mild winters without much snowfall, and early springs, the balance between runoff and evaporation has been thrown off balance. The sea level has been steadily rising for the last 20 to 30 years, with scientists estimating 2.5 to 23 feet increase of sea level. That'll be enough to swamp East Coast U.S. cities and even submerge London. But that isn't the only problem. With sea level rising, salt water will spill into our drinking water. If our fresh water is contaminated, we won't have water for farming crops, since they can't handle the salt in the water without stunting their growth or dying. Coastal plants are extremely sensitive to their environments, so even the slightest change in sea level has the potential to be devastating. Without being able to adapt to their environmental changes, the coastal plants will die and disappear as well. The same idea goes for coastal wildlife when their habitats are destroyed. They'll die off as well, as morbid as it sounds. If coastal areas are destroyed, the tourist economy that many developing nations depend upon will be hurt. Without a coastal hook for tourists, what else do they have? Because 40% of the world's population lives 62 miles from the ocean, there are extremely high risks when it comes to sea level rise and how it'll impact almost half of our entire population.